Two hands. You only need one hand? You're going to crash into the table, Frankenstein. Here, I'll help you. Yay! You're such a big girl. Wow. Ah, crash it into JJ's bed. Ah! Uh-oh. Want to turn around? Okay, let's turn this off. Say bye-bye. To who? Mom, what are you talking about? You going backwards? Jeff, she's taking it backwards. Oh, you're watching Phillies?
It's gonna be your first home opener, your first opening day. Look at that, even Muslims like the Phillies.
Jim, I'm recording.